Hello everyone! Today we'll see how to do interactive quiz games in PowerPoint. As you can see here, this is my PowerPoint and my own Earth quiz game PowerPoint. The point here that we need to put the correct answer, great job, between every question. So between every question we need to put this page. But the wrong answer, try better next time, page we need to put it just one and to put it at the last page in the PowerPoint. Now let's open and get started. So first we need to start with opening the page that we have the question on. Then as you can see, we have here the question, looking at the named divisions in this world map, what are these called? We need to click at the right answer. As you can see, I'm clicking at continents because continents is the right answer. So click at the right answer, so continents, then go to insert, click at link. Then as you can see, we need to make sure that we are in place in this document. Then we need to click at slide 3. Slide 3 is the correct answer, great job page. So we want it to take us to this page. So click at it, then it will take us to the right page. Now let's do the same thing but to the incorrect answer. So here I'm clicking at countries because countries is not the right answer. So right here I'm showing you that slide 8 is the one that has wrong incorrect answer. So as you can see now, I'm going now and showing you. So yeah, then now we need to click at like wrong answer, go to link, same method, then click at slide 8. After clicking at slide 8, we're clicking at OK, then do the same thing to every and each incorrect answer in the same page. Now after we're done, we need to make sure that we go back to the wrong answer page, then click at the go back text. So this template I already did, so you need to put a go back text, you need to put, then click at it, go to insert again, then this time we need to click at action, then click at hyperlink to, then select last slide viewed. As you can see here, I selected last slide viewed. Okay, then we're done. Now after we're done, let's look at the results. Earth quiz game. Here we have the question, looking at the named divisions in this world map, what are these called? I'll click at countries. Oof, wrong answer, go back. Now continents. Yay, correct answer. After I'm really happy with the results, we're done, and I hope you liked watching this video. If you liked watching this video, don't forget to click the like button and click the subscribe button and write some comments to cheer me up, and click the notification button, of course. Thank you so much and see you next video. Goodbye.